Hello everyone, my name is Gopal Divakaran, General Manager HPS India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. IronJaw, it's a clamping booster for injection molding. So for example, if you have a capacity of a 100-ton machine and while developing the plastic molding, you come to know that it will go for 130 ton, then you can directly use IronJaw the product and you can boost the tonnage. So every product you can increase the tonnage of the molding. HPS International, it's a French-based multinational company. We are present in 28 countries and serving to 54 countries worldwide. And innovation and safety is our motto.